Judges and my dear brothers and sisters, I'm Dhanvantika of grade 11. I'm from Bharani Vidyalaya. I'm going to speak about climatic change. Climatic change is real and we are facing critical junctures from it. Climatic change requires immediate and comprehensive action to be taken care of. The state is experiencing rising temperature, immediate and expensive works, and we are facing shifting rainfall patterns and necessitative weather events. This is not now, and the state is experiencing a lot causes, and these are the GIST programs. This is not now, and this is from the past. We are making it unreliable, and we are making these changes on the earth. The act now or never should start from now. The state is really experiencing a lot. The time for action is now. Because the time for action is now, because the act is now or never, because we are facing critical junctures from it. This is not, because the consequences of inaction will be fat and severe in reaching. This is now. The program must start from now. No, this is no other go. You should start it now, because here is now, let me tell, the act now or never accurately reflects the situation in all the angles. Every people is facing the juncture all the way to the down. Here is why now or never accurately reflects the situation in Tamil Nadu. Rising temperature, extreme weather events, shifting rainfall patterns, impact on agriculture, impact on hill station, sea level rising, and so on. This is the GIST causes. Let me explain you about these GIST causes and notes. Rising temperature. There is a land surface temperature increasing all the way to the down. Advantageously, there is a 2 degrees Celsius increase in the land surface, especially in the coastal and pre-urban areas. Do you think this is just the GIST? No, man, this is not. You have to take immediate action now, because the act is now or never. Everyone, every people, every organism is facing this problem. Not only you, every little one is making the problem, and you have to clear it. The problem is by you. And now let me talk about the weather events. Tamil Nadu is consequently facing the significant impacts on droughts, floods, and cyclones. These are the major causes which create economic losses and displacement. Do you think that's all? Do you think that's it? No, never. And now, let me talk about GIST on impacts on agriculture. Agriculture is one of the major and impactful sector in all India, especially in Tamil Nadu.
M. Kumarasamy College of Engineering, Talavapalayam, Karur.